Good evening, students. Can you see the board and my voice is over? Is that clear to you, everybody? Okay, I will wait another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, just do the activity what I mentioned in the last class regarding properties of an isosceles triangle. Many of them confused with writing other proofs. It's not necessary. Only thing is you have to write an isosceles triangle by constructing equal angle here in an isosceles triangle sides opposite to equal side, equal angles are equal. To that what I said, you have to construct the base angle, equal angle using compass, and when we join from the point of intersection you name it as A, and if you measure the two sides you will get those two sides are equal. That verify the first property. Second property, in an isosceles triangle, angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Here also, with the base, cut off the equal sides and join it, and when we measure their base angles, you find angles are equal. If angles are equal, their sides are equal. If the sides are equal, then their angles will be equal. This is the property I informed to verify. Out of 32, only 3 has given the answer. See the interest you people are having. So at least now note down this. It's a recorded video. You can go through this video and try to verify that at home. Okay, after the class. Yes. Shall we have the class? Till everybody assemble, I'll give few questions. Those who are here, try to answer it. Draw the figure of a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which AB equals AC, angle A equals 50 degree. Find angle B and angle C. Come on, do the calculation. First write up the figure. ABC is a triangle with two sides equal. If the vertex angle is given 50 degree, we have to find out angle B and angle C. They are 65 degree each. Okay, this is also regarding the property of an isosceles triangle. Since AB equals AC given, angle B equals angle C. Angles opposite to equal sides. Now, in triangle ABC, we should apply angle sum property. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals 180 degree, and we know angle A is 50 degree. Each are equal, so I will consider B also, angle C also, angle B only. 2 of angle B equals 130 degree. Therefore, angle B equals 65 degree. Angle C is also 65 degree, since angle B equals angle C. Yes. Next question. Two angles measures. Two angles measures A minus 60 degree and 123 degree minus 2A. Two angles measure A minus 60 degree and 123 degree minus 2A. If each one is opposite to, if each one is opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle, equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Find the value of A. Find the value of A. So according to the statement mentioned, try to get the figure. Then since they are the opposite angles of an isosceles triangle, they are equal, then okay, get the figure. Consider one of the angle A minus 60 degree, other angle as 123 degree minus 2A. Since they are the opposite angles of an isosceles triangle, equate, that is angle B equals angle C. So A minus 60 degree equals 123 degree minus 2A. When transfer A to LHS, you will get 3A equals 123 degree plus 60 degree. 3A equals 183 degree. So the measure of angle A is 61 degree. So such a type you will have as an MCQ question where we have to calculate and opt for the right answer. Clear? Next question. In figure, ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. With AC equals BC. AC equals BC. Find the value of X. Now based on that, get the figure. AC equals BC. Yes, get the figure. You have to find out the value of X. Can you find out the measure of x? Yes, x equals 140 degree. That is, since AC equals BC, angle A equals angle B, therefore angle B is also 70 degree. And now apply exterior angle property. Name this point as D. Angle BCD equals angle A plus angle B. In the bracket you write exterior angle property. Therefore, angle BCD equals 70 degree plus 70 degree. It is 140 degree. Next question. In the given figure, find the value of x and y. Find the value of x and y. Get the figure. Symbolically, I mentioned it on the figure that shows that side AB equals side AC. According to isosceles triangle property, when sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. So angle Y will become 40 degree. Then apply angle sum property so that you get the measure of x. That is 180 degree minus 80 degree. It is 100 degree. Clear? But whatever be the calculation, you have to give the reason of obtaining the answer. First you have to write, since AB equals AC, angle B equals angle C. Write the reason. Angles opposite to equal sides. Therefore, angle C equals 40 degree, which implies Y equals 40 degree. Second part of this problem can be obtained by using angle sum property, that is, in triangle ABC, angle A plus, angle B plus, angle C equals 180 degree. We already proved in lines and angles, angle sum property of a triangle where angle A is x, angle B is 40, angle C is 40 degree. Therefore, x equals 180 degree minus 80 degree, angle x equals 140 degree. I need the answer from everybody, not only from 3 to 5 students. I need the answer from every side. Yes, it is 100 degree. Thank you. Next question. In figure, angle A equals angle C, AB equals BC. Prove that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE. In figure, angle A equals angle C, AB equals BC. We have to prove ABD triangle congruent to triangle CBE. Get the figure. Get the figure. We have to prove triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE. For both the triangle, can you guess which is the common angle? Can you guess which is the common angle for both the triangles? Yes, angle B is the common angle. Yes. So, considering this, we can write angle A equals angle C and AB equals BC, and this is the common angle, by which congruency we can consider the triangles are congruent. One angle is common, another angle is given. So by SAS, I'm sorry, ASA congruency, we can prove the triangles are congruent. Very good. Very good response. We have to identify which is the common part, common angle. Then we can easily identify the congruency also. Okay. So in this case, first you write in triangle ABD and triangle CBE, angle B equals angle B, bracket common. AB equals BC, it is given. Angle, question itself they have given angle A equals angle C, this is also given. Therefore by the angle, the side angle ASA congruency, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBE. Hence, prove. Please try to write the answer with steps. Step by step you have to write, so that while doing the correction the teacher will put the tick mark, and finally the teacher will check which congruency, right congruency you have mentioned, that also carries marks, and finally for the congruency you have used the symbol properly, that also counts. Totally you will get 3 marks if you write properly. Okay. Completed. I will move on to the next question. If you are completed, please give me the information. Okay. Next question. In the given figure, in the given figure, ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. E is the midpoint of E is the midpoint of AD. BE and CE are joined. Prove that triangle BEC triangle BEC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. So based on the question, draw the figure. The first basic figure here you have to show ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. E is the midpoint of AD. BE and CE are joined. We have to prove triangle BEC is an isosceles triangle. We have to prove. To show triangle BEC is an isosceles triangle, we have to prove BE equals CE. To that, we consider the extreme triangles, and if you show the triangles are congruent, then your answer is perfect or correct. Over. Such a type of question carries 4 marks, so try to show the points in detail. Write the first point given. What is given? ABCD is a square. E is the midpoint. E is the midpoint of AD. ABCD is a square. E is the midpoint of AD. To prove, I think you all know the method of writing step one below the other. Like a theorem, if it is 4 marks, you have to show all the details. To prove triangle BEC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Now let us consider these two triangles. Since E is the midpoint, AE equals DE. Since ABCD is a square, each angle of a square is right angle, so these two are 90 degree. And AB equals DC because they are the sides of a square. Is that clear? By SAS congruency, two triangles are congruent. Now write the proof. In triangle BAE and triangle CDE, AB equals CD, opposite sides of a square. These are questions are not in the textbook. Apart from the textbook, I am giving. Practice it as an application. Angle A equals angle D, each 90 degree. AE equals DE, bracket, since E is the midpoint, then write therefore by side angle side congruency, triangle BEC is congruent to triangle CDE. So when we prove that triangles are congruent, then we can consider these two as its CPCT. Therefore, BE equals CE as CPCT. When the opposite sides of a triangle are equal, it will be an isosceles triangle. BAE and CDE. So after mentioning BE equals CE, BE equals CE as CPCT, then at the end conclude, since the opposite sides are equal, therefore it is an isosceles triangle. You all understood? Yes. Tomorrow you don't have class. Again from Monday to Friday you are having classes. Sunday as usual you have test. Please inform to the absentees. They may wait for tomorrow's class. Next question. Yes. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals AC, with AB equals AC, and AD is the altitude of the triangle, and AD is the altitude of the triangle. Prove that AD is also a median of the triangle. Very good question. Prove that AD is also the median of the triangle. That means in an equilateral triangle, in an isosceles triangle, altitude, median, angle by, I'm sorry, I couldn't tell this. Thank you for the patience. Nobody shouted here, luckily. In an equilateral triangle and an isosceles triangle, altitude, median, angle bisectors are one and the same. So here also, once it is an altitude, we have to prove it is also the median of the triangle. Okay? So now draw the figure of an isosceles triangle. ABC with AB equals AC. AD is the altitude. They didn't mention it is a perpendicular bisector. It is just an altitude. That means we consider only its 90-degree part. Okay. And if you prove that BD is equal to CD, then we can say the altitude AD is also the median of the triangle. First of all, you have to prove a triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. Can you guess which congruency we can apply to prove the triangles are congruent? Yes, RHS. So once you prove that these two triangles are congruent, then BD is equal to CD as its CPCT. When it is CPCT we proved, then since AD bisects BC, AD is also the median of the triangle. Okay? Now let us write under the heading given. Try to write the given part. Given triangle ABC is isosceles with AB equals AC. AD perpendicular to BC. Altitude means it is perpendicular to the base. We have to prove the altitude is a median. Okay? To prove AD is a median. Proof. So those who can, you can write the proof by using RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. Then BD is equal to CD as its CPCT. Therefore, AD is the median. Come on, complete. Prove the triangle ABD and triangle ACD. AB equals AC is given. Angle ADB equals angle ADC, each 90 degree. AD equals AD, reason common. Then write the congruency. Therefore, by RHS congruency, divided 4 by RHS congruency. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. When we prove the two triangles are congruent, then we can consider BD equals CD as CPCD. And we know that the line joining from the vertex to the midpoint is a median. Median always bisects the opposite side. Therefore, we consider AD is also a median. In the beginning, we have taken AD as the perpendicular altitude. But now at the end, we conclude AD is the median. The questions what I done today, everything is outside the textbook, but is as simple as an application of all the congruency. So repeat the question and try to practice it. Don't consider it is not in the textbook, so it is not important. You have to develop your mind to analyze the data and to interpret the concept and finding of the unknown or the congruency part. That is most important. Textbook questions everybody can do. If you have at least, if not till deep, I am just giving which is direct application to the congruency. Don't neglect it, okay? Okay, shall we proceed to the next question? You all completed? Next question. In the given figure, TA perpendicular to AB, CB perpendicular to AB. If I write like this, it is perpendicular and AC equals B. Prove that BC equals AD. Try to get the figure. Okay. So now by observing the figure, AC is equal to BD. What are these AC and BD? Can you identify? What are AC and BD? Yes, they are hypotenuse. So already 90 degrees there, hypotenuse are equal, and this is the common base. So I will write a replica of this figure so that you will easily identify the right triangle. Get the small figure in your notebook. D, A, B, C, B, A. Here it is given BD equals AC, and these two are 90 degree because these two are perpendicular, and this is the common base for both the triangles. Get the small replica of the portion, what it is proved, what you have to prove, that I have taken out. Now easily you can identify the matching part. It satisfies right angle hypotenuse side RHS. So two triangles are congruent. When they congruent, then we can say that AD equals BC as its CPCT. Clear? Check on the figure. We'll move on to the answer. Given DA perpendicular to AB, CB perpendicular to AB, and AC equals BD. Okay? To prove BC equals ED. Yes. Proof. Proof in triangle CBA and triangle DAB. I took this triangle first because we have to prove BC equals AD. Okay? Angle CBA equals angle DAB. Each 90 degree. Angle CBA equals angle DAB. Next, hypotenuse AC equals hypotenuse BD. This is given. Then AB equals AB common, because the side AB is common to both the triangles. Now conclude with congruency. Therefore by RHS congruency, RHS congruency, triangle CBA is congruent to triangle DAB. After proving two triangles are congruent, its CPCT part is BC equals AD. In the bracket, right? It is CPC. Hence the result. So the main concept here is how to give the answer in steps. That is most important. According to the question, first prepare the figure, then write what is given, what you have to prove and its proof. Some question requires the construction, otherwise write it as it is with the proof. Okay. Thank you for the response. Next question. Next question. Here it is given. In the given figure, AD equals CD, AB equals CD. Prove that first one, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Second one, BD bisects angle ABC. This construction I did myself. So you have to mention the construction part in construction step. AD equals CD, AB equals CB, and this is the third matching part that is common to both the triangles. So now can you immediately give the answer which congruency is applicable here? Very good. SSS congruency, we can prove the triangles are congruent. Once they are congruent, to show BD bisect ABC, we consider these two as CPCT. Angle 1 equals angle 2. When we show that angle 1 equals angle 2, that shows that BD bisects angle ABC. Okay, try to answer with steps starting from given and with proof. Given AD equals CD, AB equals CD. To prove, I will write as mentioned above. Instead of writing again, I took it in this sentence as mentioned above. Construction. What construction we did? What construction we have taken? I have shown that in a dotted line. The construction part is join BD. Now we all become very smart. Join BD. Proof. In triangle ABD and triangle CBD, AB equals CB. It is given. AD equals CD is also given. So according to the condition, AB first two letter, CB first two letter, AD first and the third letter, first and the third letter. So the order should be in proper way. Okay? AD equals CD, AB equals CB, and the third matching part is BD equals BD common. Therefore, by SSS congruency, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. They are congruent. Then to show BD bisect angle ABC, we consider angle ABD. I named it as 1 and 2 for your convenience. Angle ABD equals angle CBD. They are the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Therefore, BD bisects angle ABC. Hence the result. So today's problems, try to practice it along with the figure, going through the question. Okay, in the next Monday class, I will have few more questions regarding the application of the congruency. Here the last part, inequality and the ASA theorem both have been deleted, and if there is a continuation for 10th, I could have done, but there is no continuation part. So I will delete my portion with that also, and get ready for your Sunday test, that is construction as well as statistics. Thank you children. See you in the next class. Whatever be the exam, you have to attend, because that is also your portion only. Please try to attend. Half an hour or 1 hour. You can answer. The portions are very easy. You can answer. Thank you children. Samhita presenta, very nice. Because for you only I took this class, recorded class, and you are present here. Okay.